Who is Andre? Why does he choose to work around the clock, not just at his full-time job but also on a side hustle that could be the key to changing lives? Andre, a 32-year-old project manager from Chicago, is no ordinary entrepreneur. His day job in a logistics firm is demanding, filled with tight deadlines and challenging clients. But when the clock strikes 5, Andre doesn't pack up and go home like his coworkers. Instead, he heads to a local coffee shop, opens his laptop and dives into his real passion project. This project, an online platform connecting small business owners with freelance virtual assistants, was born out of Andre's frustration. He saw how small businesses grappled with the logistics of hiring, yet couldn't afford full-time staff. So, in his typical problem-solving fashion, Andre decided to build a solution. The idea sparked in his mind a year ago, and he has been relentlessly grinding ever since. He's learned to code, built partnerships, and dedicated his nights and weekends to drafting a robust business plan. Even his lunch breaks are consumed with networking phone calls to potential investors or catching up with freelancers in his burgeoning community. Andre's free time, if you can call it that, is spent refining his strategy. He devours business books, listens to insightful podcasts, and attends enlightening webinars. His family and friends, who always come first, understand his commitment to this grind. Rather than merely hanging out, they collaborate. Some offer marketing help, others legal advice. It's a community hustle, and Andre is at the helm, ensuring his loved ones are part of the journey upwards. Andre doesn't share the comfort many of his peers find in routine. The thought of remaining stagnant is unbearable to him. He yearns for more, for himself, his family, and his circle. His ultimate goal transcends mere financial freedom. He's striving for generational wealth. Andre seeks to break the cycle of living paycheck to paycheck to create opportunities for others in his community. Andre moves with purpose every day, transforming his 9-to-5 job into fuel for his 5-to-9 hustle. Yes, he's weary, but he never whines. Because for Andre, the grind is temporary, but success, he believes, is permanent. That's Andre's story so far. A man who is more than just a project manager, more than just an entrepreneur. He's a visionary, a community builder, a relentless grinder, and his story doesn't end here. Andre's goal for the future is clear: to create a legacy of wealth and opportunity for his community. And knowing Andre, he won't stop until he achieves it. His determination, his grind, his vision, they're all part of the journey, and it's a journey we can all learn from. Because in Andre's world, the grind never stops, and neither does the dream. Thank you for watching Topics on Trend. Go ahead and check out another trending video on our channel here.